So I'm now going to add the true shape to this drawing. So if we look at our cutting plane, the true shape consists of our cutting plane from point A to point A. Now the true length of our cutting plane is exactly this line over here, A to point A. So what we are going to do is we're going to take that length of that line. So there's my length from A to A, and I'm actually going to mark it off in the space that I've got over here. So I'm going to make myself a starting point. I'll draw a line over here saying that's my starting point. And then I'm going to use this center line over here just to mark off the length of point A. So from this point, I'll mark point A over there. So I now have this point to that point, just the distance. So on this point, I can see there's two corners, and I'm first going to mark off the sectional part of the prism. So corner 1 and corner 6 lies on this first line over here. So I'm going to bring corner 6 across. So I can just follow it over here, and then I can mark it there. And then also corner 1, if I bring it across, I can mark it over there. The next two corners will be corner 5 and corner 2. So I'm going to bring corner 2 across and corner 5. So on this horizontal lines over here will be 2 and 5, but I first need to find how far from this point, in other words from this line over here, will those 2 points be. So I'm going to measure from this point to that middle point over there. And then I'm going to bring it to the middle over here, and I'll just mark it off there. And then I can actually just draw in a vertical line, and I can mark it there and over there. So the next two corners will be these two over here, which I'll just circle on my top view. So I can bring those 2 points across as well. And I can mark it on that line, which is that point A over there. So if I draw in my cutting plane, so this over here is my true shape of that sectional part AA. Right, so I'm not done, although this shows the true shape or the true length. I still have to add in the pyramid or the sections or the intersections of the pyramid. So I'm going to use this point again, and I'm also going to use this line over here, which is also intersects 2 corners of my pyramid. So those 2 corners will be in line with those 2 points that I've marked over there. So I can use this vertical line to mark them off. So I'm going to bring this point across, and I'm going to bring that point across as well. So it gives me that point and that point. So the last 2 corners that I need to find are these two, and if I take it straight up onto my line AA, it's that point there. So I need to mark that distance off by using my compass again, taking that distance up there, and I'm going to place it in the middle again, mark it off there, and draw in a vertical line. I can now bring those 2 corners across to that vertical line, bring it horizontal, and then I can actually draw in or connect those dots. And then lastly, I need to section this. So I'm going to use my 45-degree set square, and I'm going to just section the cutting area. And there we go. This is our section top view, section left view, our given front view, and then this is the true shape of that section AA. I hope you guys enjoyed the drawing. Enjoy.